Have you ever wondered what the GameStop Wallet is about? Well, today we're going to investigate it and we're going to get you all set up with your GameStop Wallet so that you can start using it for things like the Illuvium Beyond sale that just so happens to be occurring next week. All right, so let's jump into it. So you'll just go into the GameStop Wallet website. I'll put it down in the description down below. Browser or mobile wallet. Obviously, I'll download for Chrome in this case. I've already got it attached to Chrome. But basically, you would click that button. It would take you to Chrome right here, and then you would attach your wallet. And I'll just open it up there. Whoops, do that again. So you can see in the top right, I've just clicked the little GameStop extension. And what I can do is I can create a new wallet or recover a wallet. Now, if you're recovering a wallet, you would just enter the seed phrase you have hopefully written down somewhere safely. If you're creating a new wallet, you would just click this button right here. I understand, I read and agree. And I want to help them by sharing my analytics, sure. All right, so my secret recovery phase. Now, what you would do then is you would reveal this and not show anyone. Obviously on this video, I'm going to show you all because I don't really care and I'm not going to use this wallet. But I'm going to show you guys, but you do not want to show this to anyone. You also never want to write this down digitally in any way, shape or form, okay? So reveal the secret phrase. And then what you would do is you would write that down with pen and paper. You would get some paper, you would get a pen, and you would write down the phrase on your pen, right? And then you make sure that you have saved your secret recovery phrase. So really, I should be going through this process. I'm just going to take the shortcut and I'm going to go on Notepad, but do not save this anywhere digitally if you can help it. If you must, make sure it's as secure as possible. If this is ever compromised, you lose everything. There's no salvaging it. The wallet is dead. You can move stuff out of the wallet if they don't beat you to it, which they will, but that is just what happened. So don't forget to write this down because it will prompt you for it afterwards, or at least most wallets do. It also makes your life very hard in terms of copying and pasting. There's probably some software you could get if you wanted, but not worth it. Okay, so you write it all down. I'm going to put this on my other monitor. I saved my secret recovery phase, and then you would enter a wallet. Put in a really weak password. You'll set a password. So the password's more local than anything, but it's still important to make sure it's good. So apparently I didn't need to re-enter the recovery phrase. So it's also automatically connected to Immutable X. You might have to sign that key and we'll do that in just a second. So you can deposit funds and things like that. It looks like GameStop is native to Immutable X. I don't know if it also has an Ethereum side of things. I would assume so. Good stuff. All right. So once you've got your GameStop wallet, you just go to the Immutable X website and you click Connect Wallet. And you go to GameStop. And now it's going to connect to that extension and it's automatically going to connect. You click the account, which would be account 1 in this case. You hit Next and then Connect. And then you hit Get Started. You just got to do this prompt even for MetaMask. So you approve it. And now you've got to set up your key, which is you just approving it, signing a transaction. It costs no gas. And setup complete. And there you go. Now I have my GameStop wallet that I just created, and it is also connected to the Immutable X site. So it's just that easy to create a GameStop wallet. Again, don't forget to not save your seed phrase digitally. If you enjoy this video, if you learned something, please like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell. And next time, I'll be showing you even more content Illuvium beyond Illuvitars and the rest of Illuvium. So if you like that sort of content, don't forget to subscribe down below. Have a good day, everyone. And don't forget to check out this video right up here in the top right-hand corner.